Now that you've got your Instagram profile set up, what are you gonna do with it, right? Well, you gotta start by just following people. You gotta start searching for prospects, searching for people in your sphere, connecting with them. Now, how do you connect with them? You click the follow button. You start following them, and they're probably gonna follow you back, okay? They're gonna come, they're gonna check out your profile. You wanna make sure that your profile has at least, maybe 6 to 9 photos on it just to start, so that you can start following people and they don't see an empty profile, right? Who wants to follow somebody with an empty profile, an empty life, no business? We want to see somebody who's active, lots of pictures of properties, architectural pictures, interior design pictures. What's going to represent you as a real estate agent? If I was to land on your Instagram page, I want to see something that looks pretty, that really represents you and that you're in the business of real estate. So make sure you get that all set up properly and then start following people like crazy. The more people you follow, the more followers you get, okay? But you do have to be a little careful about this. Don't just follow every business that's out there. Don't just follow every person that's out there. You want to keep the ratio of people following you and the number of people you're following as close as possible, okay? Nice mutual relationships. Now, one good idea is to actually go out and see what some of the top real estate agents are doing in the business and seeing what they're posting on their profile page. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions. Definitely subscribe to our channel. We're here for you to provide value, and we hope you enjoy all this, so please comment below and let us know.